Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove face lock on itel S15 mobile phone. Face unlock plus pin. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to security and location. Okay, tap this. Here in security and location and device security section, go to face unlock. Okay, tap the face unlock. And now re-enter your PIN. So enter your device PIN to continue. And okay guys, after that, here in face unlock, you can see the delete face data. And on the right side, you can see the delete icon. And to remove the face lock on your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is tap the delete icon on the right side. And the pop-up bar show, okay, remove face data. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the confirm button. And that's it, okay, you have successfully removed the face unlock. Okay, go back. And now also you can remove the screen lock. Okay, here in screen lock, okay, tap the screen lock and re-enter your PIN. And after that, okay, select the none. And the pop-up bar show, okay, remove device protection. Device protection features will not work without your PIN. So you'll have to do to remove is tap the remove button. And that's it, okay, you have successfully removed face lock on itel S15 mobile phone, face unlock plus PIN. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.